One eternity later.
He one is day night.
You ready to go to school today?
Yes.
Boy, you ready to go to Nana's today? Yes. Let's open up your advent calendar, okay?
Yes. Wait.
Yesterday we opened up this one and we got a ball, and today we will be opening up this one. So put your finger through there, Ava. Good job. What is it?
Dog.
It's a dog. Wow.
Dog.
Gives a look.
Doggy.
Wow. It's a pretty doggy.
Pretty doggy.
And it's got a red collar.
Red color.
Do you like it?
Yes.
Do you want to show Abraham? Do you like the doggy?
Yes.
Yeah.
Good big.
So this is what the dog looks like that we got from the Fisher Price Little People Advent Calendar. This is actually a dog. It doesn't look like a cat.
Who's cat?
The cat's over there.
Oh, cat at the.
Do you want to see the cat?
Who's the cat?
I still think it's a dog though.
What?
So open up your second one.
I bus.
Number 9 of our Kinder Surprise Advent Calendar. So this is the one that we're going to be opening, Ava. Ooh!
I pull out. Wow, what is it? This? Chocolate.
It's a chocolate.
Is this
A yummy chocolate.
yummy chocolate?
Yes.
Yay.
Can you show Mum?
Yeah, chocolate.
Day 9 we got a puppy dog from our Fisher Price Little People calendar, and then we also got another chocolate from our Kinder Surprise.
Yes.
Shall we get your other Fisher Price toys down?
Yes.
Okay. Here are our Fisher Price toys from 1 all the way up through to 9.
Come on.
Should we get ready to go to school?
Yes.
Have you had breakfast?
Yes.
Okay. Boy, have you had breakfast today too? Hi Ava.
Hey, Mom.
Did you have a good day today?
Yes.
Did you have fun at practice?
Yes.
Did you behave yourself?
Yes.
Did Grandma pick you up?
Yes.
Did you eat bananas
Yes.
and strawberries? Was it yummy?
That's day 9. Come back for day 10 tomorrow. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye.